So we want to look at matrix scalar multiplication. We have the definition here at the top. It says if we have some matrix and we want to multiply it by some scalar k, it can be any scalar. Now, what does this word scalar mean? It just means a number. It can be any number. It can be a negative number, positive, it could be a fraction, it could be a whole number, any number times our matrix. Well, then all we need to do is take that number and multiply it by every entry in matrix A. Now, don't let the dot dot dot, this definition, this matrix, intimidate you. That just means that you can have your matrix can have any dimensions. The dimensions of the matrix don't matter. You can multiply it by any scalar. So if we have an example here where we have A as this matrix, and we want to know, well, what is -4 times matrix A? Well, -4 times matrix A is going to look like -4 times the matrix was 6, -2, 3, and 7. And in order to find that, we just need to take -4 and multiply it by each entry in matrix A. So it would be -4 times 6, and then we would have -4 times -2, and then we would have -4 times 3, and then we would have -4 times 7. And then we would simplify, and we would see that we have -4 times 6 is -24, -4 times -2 is +8, -4 times 3 is -12, and then -4 times 7 is -28. And that would be -4 times matrix A. So let's look at one more example. Let's say we have this matrix, matrix B, and we want to know what is 5 times matrix B. Well, 5 times matrix B is 5 times the matrix -5, 2, 0, -1, 0, -3. And to simplify that, we see that we can say 5 times -5, and we can get the first entry, which is -25. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times -1 is -5. 5 times 0 is 0. And 5 times -3 is -15.